come to Jamaica, the island of real bad man. Some real dog at some real gang bang. No run for the fair, the garbage pan. Step up! These are the moments when everybody gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense no matter what. These are the moments when every gangster gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in a self-defense.
In Jamaica's relentless war and crime, the worst criminals end up on the True Island Stories platform. These are their stories.
Pull it in. Quick bulletin for full it in. Yo, Muffet, bring your bully beef thing for put it in. No, man, before they want to can bully it in. No, man. People, them say Jamaica is not a real place. Mobay, the home of the alligator squad, the city of hell raisers, the gates of hell, makes it on this esteemed platform once again. And I can assure you, I know nothing pretty. But them say different day, same shit, or different fly, same shit, either way. You don't know. All me know say is that say, sitting think of shit. And I know me. Oh, but you are going pan what I go on down there. One madman no run out pan some pilgrim with a big man, him one, pull up on them, or more likely foot up pan 5 bank robber down there in the middle. Alright, you see, oh, the man them roll up quick and go so rah, and jukey female sicky. You can imagine how traumatized, she must have been. Thank God they didn't harm her though, you know. Thank you, Father. So the two of them go so boom now and jukey sicky out the door, and the next 3 them go in. The pilgrim yeah, him did have a rifle in there. Them call him Blacks. See him there? Him name Blacks. The next one you know, him government name is Delroy Mitchell, and them call him Action. Yeah, the next pilgrim you know, him name Ted. So as far as me know, and all pics provided by On The Spot News, so you don't know the badness go. You have to big up the Justice League CMO, you see me? And he has some other important details in his version of this badness, the robbery of Mobay, so you know, can go check him out, you see me? Alright, but when me I say, the bank, they come like a set up themselves to get robbery, sir. Yeah, man. Like I said, set up themselves, man, come in the corrupt, brother, but I like. Because if you're in a bank, you are entrusted with people's livelihood, their retirement, them billy. And you tell me, say, you couldn't hire at least 4 or 5 armed security guards. Say 2 outside and 2 or 3 inside. You know, and a quick response team on first ring. But the people that invest into that bank, well, only thing we can say, in a life, boy, what you pay for, or what you get. Good, sir. Good, sir. Alright, but reflecting on the flip side of the coin, you can see that financial establishment is neatly tucked deep in the ruralities. That bank is what we call in America a mom and pop bank, you know, a community family bank type. Where, you know, residents from only the community work, you know, them keep everything in-house, you know, and they've been serving the community for generations. A place where no one ever rob. A place that had the trust of its client and the community. But all people go back and say, one not me not here, me not there. Not never happen till it happen. A hungry time now. The lobby knocks them out and wild them no business. Yo, one thing them a say, you know, food are dirt. But fun and joke at top car, it two side full. You know, we don't feel them get $100 out of the robbery. God no. I not lie you. I don't feel them get bored that. Sister Baker says he tell a truth and them in a wholesale, back a wholesale counter. Wow. Una go like say, I'm alone, she said that bank the fear Mr. Chin wholesale. The rampage me back. Wow, the field for talk. Yo, I don't allow me not sure. But then here comes the madman. Out the door. The pilgrim goes a boop. And sight he pray. He had the sight he rake and move to relief. Pop, 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 pop. I saw him and I find the piece of hose and he bing at them in a man. Yo, with the mouth and the whole column lift up. The whole 5-man column lift up like body. What other things say, a real shot come out of bad but what other that? And this. Yes, when the madman walk up to them, I tell them, say, yo, a fool type roll me back now. But for that joke at top, as me say, that madman deserves a reward and he should be given hero status because they owe him their lives. And I'm also glad no one got hurt during this terrifying ordeal and hope all and sundry who are involved in that robbery are quickly caught by the relevant authorities and taken off the streets. The Guru has spoken.
I am Joy.
Pepper, you know the real J-thing, huh? How we grow up, sometime the road tough side slow. Real patriots never buckle, never fall. How they get to run, that's why. Back from the boy, we not do that. Boy, who no can't tell me jai, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, and a man bust a shot him off a pack up and boy. Pointed pon him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, no assumption, I saw the ground run. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation, I see the said someone wanted man will live long. Name one. Things forever bury with no done. Name one. One good honest politician. Name one. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy who no do that. Boy, who no can't tell me jai. Who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, now a man better boy. And a man bust a shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend them for door. None of that, you a man better. Things risky, for the misfit. Death rate fit the logistic. Chris, I want the biscuit. Eight of crackers with the whiskey. You're not listening. Crime live here, so it's not visiting. Visitors, careful, you know what the business is. Murder, plunder, pillaging. Oh, bloodshed in all the villages. You name it, yo, we live in it. Get rich, I do a special delivery. Nightmare, tormented images. Vengeance, bloody cycle continuing. But know you seek that, but it's no revenge. Looking at the mirror, there is no different. Man, we full of, hey, and we know we trends back from the boy, who no do that. Boy, who no can't tell me jai, who no boy. Who from your soul, we don't know what around. Boy, yup, now a man better. Any man bust no shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, yo, a man better. No assumption, I saw the ground run. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation, passing the said someone wanted man will live long. Name one, brings a fella with the name one. One honest politician, name one who. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy, we not do that. Boy, can't kill with Jah on the back. Who from your soul don't know what wrong go, yo, a man better go. Any man bust a shot him off a pack. Point it on him head back and four. Pop off him strap on him friend him do none of that to the top. Yo, you know the thing going on, set a seat up a beat, you know. Hey man, take your time man. Go man. Man to them pepper.